Hello friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria aka Sita, and I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we're going to be doing a little bit of everything. We're going to be finishing up our October challenges, and we are also going to be opening up some Happy Mail, and we're going to be cash stuffing our sinking funds with the money that we saved this month. I'm also going to show you guys the new challenges that we're going to be working on during the month of November. If this is content you're interested in, please stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to start. I'm wondering if I should start with the Happy Mail. Let me start with the Happy Mail because it's kind of going to flow into this here, the new challenges and anything that I may be doing during the month of November. Now this here is a note from Jessie. Oh, thank you so much. And yes, Jessie, I definitely will. So this is her group play. It is two-sided. And we've got a this or that. So we get to pick how much we're going to save for each. And I don't know, guys. I think I'm going to do this for $2. Let's see, $2 for this. Oh, you can't see that. Let's do $2 for this, and let's do $5 for that. Okay, so that's how we're going to start. Once we start with this group play, we're going to do this one, this side here, and then we're going to work on the scratch-offs and on these numbers here. Oh, I'm sorry. I hope you guys saw that. So that is Jessie from Jessie Budgets. Now, I believe her group play is already closed because she likes to send these out so that we get it for the beginning of the month. But guys, go check her out. Watch her videos so you can see when she announces the group play for December, and you can join us as we save money with Jessie. All right. Now, I ordered some stuff here from the Frugal Shop. And give me a second. I'm going to open it up and I'll be right with you. This is what I ordered. So let me just go ahead. Look how cute. Your order made my day. I hope this package made yours. It absolutely did. And these are free gifts. How exciting. Thank you so much, Karen. I'm going to link her information in the description. Guys, make sure you check her out. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me try and do this quick. Oh my goodness. All these freebies, girl. I love them. Oh, look at these. She makes her own shoe charms. Shoe charms. Lord, shoe charms. Shoe charms. Oh my goodness, guys. You know what I mean. These are for the Crocs. And guess what? Aaliyah's going to love these. Thank you so much. These are so cute. Wait till she sees them. All right. We've got some stickers. And look, a clip. Oh, and it's a nice big one. Perfect. Oh, I really needed one, especially for these here. You see, I got these big ones here. Thank you so much for that. Oh, my goodness. Every dollar has a job. I know that's right. Oh, and these are laminated, so I can use them over. She sent me, oh, my God, girl. Look at all of this. Is this for November? Save $20. I think I'm going to add this to my November challenges. Thank you so much, girl. This was so nice of you. And we've got what I ordered. And look how cute these are. Now, this is a mini savings challenge. It's so cute. It's the little paper clips with a bow. I hope you can see it. So you can make these whatever amount you want. And I love that they are all laminated, so you can use them over and over again. Another mini savings challenge. And we've got two scratch-offs. Got a $50 one and a $100 one. I cannot wait to get started with these. Thank you so much, Karen. These are beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now, to see how much money we saved doing our October challenges. Now, this month, I did not do Jessie's. I only did this one from Yanzi and this one from Taj. Now, I do plan on starting them over again for the month of November because these ladies are so kind as to keep creating these beautiful challenges. Look how nice they are. And we're adding Jesse, and we're going to add Karen's to the mix. So we're going to be saving some money, y'all. And here we are with the completed ones. We just need one more day. Now, today, or yesterday, shall I say, it was a +5. She rolled a 2, so we are saving $7 here. And yesterday, guys, I don't know why I put that dollar away. Yesterday, I had taken the kids out trick-or-treating, and we met up with some of Aaliyah's friends and her cousins. And I wasn't sure if the cousins were coming over. One of her cousins slept over, and we were going to order out. I had told the kids we'll have pizza. You guys can, eat candy, and you guys can go ahead and watch movies, whatever you want. I was exhausted when I got home because it was so cold out there, guys. Y'all already know I do not like the cold, but I did it for the babies. We were out there about 2 hours. It was fun, though, because I was with, my niece, her husband, and, the kid. It was a great time. However, when we got home, or when we were coming home, Aaliyah said, Mom, don't order pizza. You know what I want? I want some mashed potatoes, some corn, and chicken nuggets. What? You want what? Because I was going to order pizza and, buffalo wings. And she said, yeah, Mom, you spend a lot of money recently, which I have. And we had a big bag of fries. We had a big bag of chicken nuggets. We have corn. We had mashed potatoes. So I'm like, yes, that's going to save me a good amount of money. And that's what I did, guys. I came home, and while they showered and got themselves into warm, cozy pajamas, I cooked. It was a late dinner because they didn't eat till about 8 o'clock, but that's okay, guys. I saved some money. And I said, you go, girl. You're learning a little bit about budgeting and you know how to be a little frugal. So we didn't spend no money yesterday, so that gets $1. And I'm excited to see exactly how much we saved. So this is going to the side. Now, let me just share. Let me get this money here because I'm all over the place. Let's count Taj at Beautiful Budgets first. For the no spend, low spend, overspend challenge, we saved a total of 55, 56, 59, 60, 70. $75. I had no idea that we saved $75 with this one here. How awesome is that? Now, let's see how much we saved with Yenzi at Budgeting My Debts. We've got 100. $146. Let me make sure that's correct. 1 and 20, 30, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think she got 147. How did I get 146? I don't know, but it doesn't matter, guys, because it is an amazing amount saved. So we've got 146 plus 75, $221 that will be going into our sinking funds today. Again, guys, how amazing is that? I am so excited that, these ladies offered these wonderful challenges and that I was able to save this money. Let's get organized, Maria, because right now you're all over the place. Before I do that, though, guys, bear with me. It is Saturday. Jaden played his last game for the season. He gave out candy and some... What did we give out? They're from Sam's Club. They sell a big tub of, like the cheese curls, the little ones. It's like a Halloween pack. So he gave them out to some of the players. A lot of them had left, but he gave some out to his friends. And it was really nice. But it's over. I don't have to be out there in the cold on Saturday mornings no more. I'm so excited. And I will see them all in the spring. This here challenge, guys, is the one that I was talking about in one of my earlier videos from Fiona at Frugality is Life. This is on her Etsy shop. As you know, she is from Jamaica. She has loved ones in Jamaica. And she is selling this here on her Etsy shop. And all the proceeds from the sale of this here challenge is going towards Jamaica and, the rebuilding, restoration. So... please, if you're able to, go visit her Etsy shop and, purchase it if you can. If not, there's a couple of sites that she did list in her description that are reputable sites. She also posted them, I believe, on Instagram, and they may be in a community post on YouTube. It doesn't matter how much you can give. Every dollar counts, not only within the budgeting community, but when you are trying to help others in need. So again, this here is from Fiona and Frugality is Life. Girl, your name always gets me. And, you know, show her some love. Let her know that we, the members of this community, support her during this difficult time. All right, so here we are. Let's get started. I hope I have enough money. I believe I do. We're going to put $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 here because that's what Yenzi wrote. Way to go, girl. She started big. So we're going to put 6 here. Now, every month since she started, I believe this is the 4th month that we're doing this. Every month since she started, she adds a little different. Last month it was like +5. The previous month, I think it was +2. This month, what she is going to do, just to add a little spice to it, is that every Friday of November, she is going to roll twice. So yes, guys, if she rolls 2 6s, we have to save 12. If she rolls a 5 and a 1, that's 6, whatever she rolls. Now, this is how we're doing it. It's a community challenge. However, you are free to do it any way you like. You can roll the die on your own. You could decide to double what she rolls. You could decide to just do $1 per day. The idea behind these challenges is it brings us together doing something because it's fun seeing other people's comments as far as, you know, saving it. And it also supports her because she's giving these out for free, guys. So we can also show her support by going to her channel and making sure that we tag her whenever we post one of our videos with our savings. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to her channel and make sure you check out her Ko-Fi shop so you can print this out. It's only day 1. You don't have to do it every single day. Sometimes I miss a day or two, so I end up just, you know, filling in 2 or 3 slots at a time. For today, we are saving $6. And what an awesome start to the month of November. I think I'm going to use this clip here. Yes. Thank you so much, Miss Karen. Look how cute. All right. Moving right along to my girl Taj. Now, let me be honest with you guys. I almost didn't do it this month because this is already, y'all know, going to be a spending month because we're going to start shopping for Christmas. However, I decided to do it anyway because, you know what, I think it's going to keep me from spending money unnecessarily. For instance, I went food shopping last week. We spent a lot of money, so I did not go out to eat. And tracking this showed me exactly, and it felt good to have so many dollars in a row instead of $5, because in the beginning of the month, I was spending. We were going out to eat almost every other day. It seemed at one point we were going out to eat every day, so we didn't do that towards the end of the month. We probably would have saved a lot more money if we had, but that's okay because in the grand scheme of things, guys, I was saving money throughout the month by not spending every day. So right here for today, it is Saturday. Jaden had his game already. We are home. We are not going to spend any extra money, so we are saving $1 here today. Alrighty, so this one is going to the side. We've got Jessie. Now, with Jessie, we are doing $2 for this or $5 for that. I did not even look at the images. I just went ahead and picked a random amount. So for this one here, and I don't think I'm going to use this color because it's probably not going to show. For this one here, we are going to choose coffee because y'all already know I love coffee. I will have tea every now and then, but coffee is my go-to. So we've got $2 going here. And we are going to put this one to the side. And this one here, we are going to do the $1 today. So $1 going in here. I do not have another paper clip in front of me, but we're just going to put this here to the side. I'll get a paper clip before my next video. Now we have this here. Again, we have $221, guys. I'm going to ask that you bear with me for a moment. I'm going to get some change for this $100 bill, and I'll be right back. Okay, we have $100. Now, guys, just like we did the last time, I am going to wing it. I'm not sure how much is going into each one. However, I do know that some categories are going to need more than others. Let's see. Sam's Club, we are going to do $50 for Sam's Club. Okay, so let's start here. Let me separate the money. It'll make it a whole lot easier, won't it, guys? My apologies if this video seems to be all over the place, because it is. So let's see, we have 10 here. Let's do, you know what? Yeah, let's do 15. Car maintenance, we're going to do 20. Home, we are going to do, let's do 15. Guys, my nails, look at that. They are in dire need of a refill. I told Aaliyah, listen, I just need them to last to Halloween. So hopefully, if not today, tomorrow, she will be doing my nails again. I can't wait to see what she comes up with. Lawn care, he is done for the season. I'm going to add $10 here. Moving forward, we are just going to continue to bulk this up so that come the next spring, we'll have quite a few dollars here and we don't have to worry about it every 2 weeks. Medical, I do have an appointment this week. We're going to add 20 here. You know what? Let's do 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pet care. I actually just got them quite a bit of food. Let's do 15. Yeah, last time I went to Sam's Club, I ended up bulking up. That's why these 2 envelopes are empty, both Pet Care and Sam's Club. School, the kids both had their trips, so they're good. They don't need anything right now. We're going to add 10 there. Self-care, we're going to add 20 just because it's empty. Why it's empty, I don't know. Let's do 5 for vacation. And for YouTube, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 is 10. I really should be taking this money out and adding it towards my credit card, since I've been using my credit card to make purchases on Etsy. But for now, we're going to leave it. We're going to leave it as is. All right, we have 15. $23. Let's see. Let's add 5 more to home. Home care is good. We're going to add 5 more to medical. And even though we have more than enough to cover this appointment, guys, I pay for parking when I have to go into the city. So I'm going to add a few more dollars here just in case I need to pay for parking. Pet care. Let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know what? Let's put this 3 back here, and that'll be for our November challenges. This $5 can go, you know what? Let's add it to Sam's Club, because Sam's Club be taking all my money. Alrighty, guys, and just like that, we were able to put a little bit of money in each one of our envelopes. And guess what? It was easy money to save because I did it using our October challenges. So next month, we will be using our November challenges to either stuff this here binder, or we're going to use it towards that. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. As you already know, we kind of go with the flow. Even though I said that's what the funds were going to be going to, I decided to make a last minute change, and this here got the money from our October challenges, and then my mini savings challenge binder, that money went towards that. So guys, as long as we're saving, it does not matter where the money goes. Don't feel obligated because you stated in 5 videos that this money was going towards this and that money was going towards that. You do what works for you, and if you have to make a change, make a change. The important thing is that you're continuing to save and that you're remaining consistent. Alrighty, guys, I hope everyone is doing well. Please know that I am still praying for anyone who was impacted by Hurricane Melissa. And guys, anybody who is experiencing financial hardship because of this government shutdown and the issues with the SNAP benefits, I am praying for you as well. Alrighty, guys, y'all take care. Have a blessed day. Enjoy your weekend to the fullest. It was freezing out yesterday, but so far today, it has been a beautiful, beautiful day. And I hope, we have another day or two like this before it gets cold again. Take care, stay blessed, and we will be chatting soon.